Make sure you stay tuned in. We'll share 3 secrets that we use for engine valve lifter noise on Mercedes and how to get rid of it. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. How cool is that, right? Now, if you have a Mercedes C-Class guys, it could be almost any generation Mercedes C-Class, and if you have a valve lifter noise, we'll explain how we can easily fix that without taking the engine apart. Now, it will work in almost every case unless you have a mechanical problem. Stay with us and we'll explain how we can do that, how we can make that noise improve so it's not so audible or it's practically gone. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We're constantly getting new cars, we're constantly working on something. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you need to buy any parts, tools for your car, Mercedes, any model guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools, supplies from, and you can guys save a fortune. So before we start, what we have here, 2013 C-Class gasoline C250, but even if you have diesel, gasoline, hybrid, doesn't matter what it is guys. 4, 6, 8 cylinder engine. If you develop valve lifter noise, why you may develop it? Because you have hydraulic valve lifters. These hydraulic valve lifters guys, okay, can often become noisy because they're practically adjusted by the oil flow. When you have an old engine, higher mileage engine, oil flow can be compromised due to the fact that oil passages may be clogged up, and oil may not flow quite adequately to the valve lifters. Valve lifters itself may be worn out. And how we can improve that now guys? First, you need to clean your engine on the inside. Before an oil change, use engine flush by Licky Moly. This is guys amazing additive. We were not believers in additives until we used that thing on a Porsche Cayenne with almost 200,000 miles. We had to put an oil new gasket, oil gasket for the valve covers, and we did an engine flush, opened the engine, it looked like brand new with almost 200,000 miles. Check out, we even decided, we made a special video that is called Does Licky Moly Engine Flush Work? Demonstrated on Porsche Cayenne, and you can see the results yourself. So do that guys, that will clean the engine on the inside, it will clean oil passages, variable timing, screen, oil pump screen, contamination on the inside, build up that can be actually caused by not changing the oil on time, by normal engine operation as well. Then you need to get engine oil that is specifically designed for your Mercedes. Make sure it's the right viscosity, make sure that it meets the specification for your specific Mercedes model. Mulligan Licky Moly is amazing oil. Nothing sponsored here for these products, everything's purchased by us, but this is our favorite products that we use on almost any car we get here at the garage guys that we buy. So engine oil, you're going to change it after the flushing the engine. You're going to put new engine oil filter, good quality filter or original filter is recommended in my opinion guys. And then you're going to add this device right here. This guys is liquid gold. I'm not kidding, this is called Ceratec guys. Ceratec by Licky Moly. This is a high-tech ceramic wear protection for engines and manual transmissions guys. It extends service life, prevents metal-to-metal contact, less friction, reduced fuel economy, so fuel consumption, reduce fuel consumption, so you get better mileage. So that additive will pay for itself after a while. Protects up to 30,000 miles. And if you look right here guys, okay, low friction effect reduces emissions, reduces wear significantly, improves motor performance, reduces friction by 75% and wear by 34%. Check the reviews online, I'm not kidding, this is amazing. That's liquid gold. We're going to go ahead guys, add it and we'll continue. So we need to open guys, okay, the hood. Right here is the oil cap, okay, that's where we'll be adding the Ceratec. Okay, if you guys have white sludge on the oil cap, white buildup, we have a special video that explains what causes that and how to fix it. Let me just wipe here so that drop of oil doesn't leak out, okay, and make a mess. Now let's go ahead and add it. So we're going to get the Ceratec out. We're going to shake it really good. Give it a really good shake because you may have some okay, some leftovers on the bottom. So let's go ahead, shake, 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 and now we're going to go ahead, open it, remove the safety cap here, okay, perfect. And we're going to go ahead, okay, pull that seal, and we're ready to go ahead and add it. It's orange in color. Okay, you can check it out, and we just keep adding the whole content, okay, all the way. And we're going to leave it upside down so it can drain itself as well. So we're done, guys, we added it. Okay, this is amazing additive, guys. What you need to do now, let the car outside, not in the garage, let it idle for 10 minutes so it can mix everything. See how much exactly you need for your engine. This is good for 5 liters, guys. If you have many of the Mercedes will use actually more oil than 5 liters, so you may need 1.5 of those, or 2 even in some cases. And go ahead, start it, let it idle for 10 minutes. You'll start noticing, okay, improvement immediately, unless you guys have a mechanical problem, but after 1 or 2 fuel tanks you start noticing the big difference then, guys. Okay, valve lifter noise may be completely gone. If you have a faulty valve lifter or mechanical problem, it may not fix that, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having a Mercedes C-Class. Thank you for watching and see you next time.